Additional tip, TV.
Hair po.
Always
Ay,
remember your first line.
May mga sa may likod sa ay.
Okay lang. So, balik po mag-step back po siya. Kasi yan ang focus ko sa'yo na
Step back. Nice.
yung hulot ang ilalaan na.
Ay, pattern naman. Step forward. So, let's discover.
Okay, wait lang. Let's check the focus. Okay, nakafocus ako. Wait lang po, direct. Pababa pa ng kamay. Titinan ko lang yung front. Forward. Okay na ba?
Ibig nakikita niyo siya, alam niya kung anong angle niya. Kayo po, tingnan niyo rin kung saan kayo feeling niyo mas maganda. Pero huwag naman side view. Angle lang.
Ready na po ako direct.
Ready? Okay na po, direct? Balik ko dyan.
Magdalot ka. Pagkat dito ka magdalot. Nasa ko.
Nice.
Kaya na ang kamay.
Relax lang po ang shoulders.
Ay, shoulders. Shoulders mo.
Relax lang po.
Ganun yung kataas yung din. Ganun lang talaga.
Bro lang. Direct eh.
Ayun, naka-open eh. Naka-open po.
Eyes on the camera po. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Lights. Camera.
Camera rolling direct.
ID in. ID out.
Good day, Madeline.
Wait po. Hintayin yung cue ni direct.
Action. Cut mo na ako direct. Okay.
Then, katulad po ng sinasabi namin, action! Ag-action si direct. Hintayin po 5 seconds. Okay? Then, pag-cut ulit, hintayin naman na mag 5 seconds bago ibaba yung kamay.
Ma'am, after niya mag-action, hold muna.
Direct, magkikita din po kayo ng cue sa DOP.
Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Ano po muna ng phones natin.
Good. Alam mo direct.
May naririnig po ako, nagpi-play ng video.
Minsan po talaga kahit tama po yun. Minsan kahit hindi nga rinig. Electric fan, puta cake. Marinig yan.
Quiet on set. Lights. Camera.
Rolling direct.
ID in. ID out. Lights. Camera. Action.
Good day, Madeline. Let's discover the special relationship of sides and angles of right triangle.
Cut. Quiet on the set, please. Take 3. Lights. Camera.
Camera rolling direct.
ID in. ID out. Action.
Good day, Madeline. Let's discover the special relationship of sides and angles of right triangles, or trigonometry. trigonometry rings a bell. I am math teacher Aiko. Yes. I for math, I for you, and I got you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's learn together here at Math 9 TV.
Cut.
Okay. Thank you po, Direk. Nakikita mo kung paano magpungan si Direk Jimmy. Ganun po siya. Pero, Direk, kita mo din po yung QEDOP. TV, ma'am, maganda po ang delivery mo. Pero mas, what if, itry pa natin na yung mga poses, importante na mabigyan emphasis kung ano ang gusto mong bigyan. Yung mga poses mo lang po. Sige, itry mo pa po ma'am isa pa. Hindi na natin nire-record. Sige po. First line mo.
Good day, Maddie. Let's discover the special relationship.
Sige, good day muna. Hindi pa na-absorb yan ni TV, ng ating estudyante. Good day, mga kids. Ipa-absorb muna sa amin. Sige po.
Good day, Mathletes. Let's discover the special relationship of sides and
Okay,
angles
sige, take time.
of sides and angles of right triangles or trigonometry.
Sige, tingnan mo siya. Trigonometry.
Or trigonometry. Dito po.
Opo, para ano mo siya.
Or trigonometry.
Hindi po. Duro, ma-emphasize lang siya.
Or trigonometry.
Tingin ka ulit sa trigonometry.
Or trigonometry rings a bell. I am Aiko, your math teacher.
Ay ko, sige, lively pa po. Yan ang part. Or teacher. Pwede
I am your teacher, Aiko. Let's learn together here at Math 8, at Math 9 TV.
Yan po, ma'am. Let's learn to, ano pa siya?
Let's
Mas,
learn together
More pa.
here.
lively pa.
Let's learn together here at Math 9 TV.
Then ingatan yung masyadong ano. Saan yung graphics nila? Let's learn together here.
Let's learn together here at Math 9 TV.
Then smile. Then, very
On.
Thank you po.
On ba yun ang preposition? On.
on.
On, math 90. Pero depende, i-check nyo na rin. Bahala ka ba direct?
Tingnan ka
On. Dati kaya at
Oh, man.
Tingnan natin.
Hindi ka na bahala.
Ikaw na bahala direct. Pero okay.
Ay,
perfect.
oh, thank you. Wala
May
pa
back, may back na.
Sige po, try back natin. Pero ready na po yung susunod doon. Basta na po.
Good day, Mathletes. Let's discover the special relationship of sides and angles of right triangles, where trigonometry rings a bell. I am math teacher Aiko. Yes. I for math, I for you, and I got you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's learn together here at Math 9 TV.
Yan po ba? Masyado na ba mataas? Steady ka na lang. Kung saan lang din yung graphics. Tapos kung mas engaging pa siya, katulad ng